Okay, on top of my Samsung 49-inch wide ultra widescreen monitor, we've got two Android tabs, 10-inch tabs, both running on the SIM hub. So in the background you can see my Logitech speaker system, which is a surround sound speaker system. At the moment the wheel we're currently using is a Turn BP1 button plate with a Sparko Double D wheel on a sim racing machines emulator onto the Fanatec DD2. And you can just see there as well I've got a sim racing addict display unit, another one Race Logic, and then we've got another display,
rev counter on,
rev counter, button box, and a sim print there, emergency e-stop, Logitech mouse and keyboard and keyboard tray, obviously out of the way when I'm racing. Another display because I like to keep it down to a minimum on the screen, Elgato Stream Deck, another button box, the other WinSim vent, system display, a Thrustmaster handbrake, BHMH pattern shifter. In the background you can just about see under the PC the Logitech surround sound amp. We've got the Sim Racing Studio cushion, a rumble seat thingy bobby, and the Hussenfeld sprint pedals with the Sims 3D rumble set, which we're coming around to the side to have a quick look at. Can't see there. That's my Dayton Audio bass shaker at the front, the big boy. There you can see the rumble motors on the back of the pedals and some of the tubing for the WinSim. As we come back up, you can see my lovely cable management. Got various amplifiers for the numerous bass shakers I've got, and that's my spare wheels. So I've got a wheel for basically all type of racing. A few bits there as well as my webcam and my external microphone. Just about seen down there. It's a running thing. My seat is a seat from an Audi A3. And there we go through. That's PC. I can't remember what's on that at the moment. 4090 and an i5. Some bass shakers on the back of the seat, and there's also the same again underneath the seat. And then we've got the Aurora big boys at the back. So all corners with a bass shaker on it gives some good effects. And there we are, all in one again. Dun dun dun. And that's it.